Well, hello there. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so happy when I find Bora in my neck of the woods because I really do not get these kind of greens. So today we are going to cook Bora and chicken with some fried fish, okay? And I do hope you guys love this video. So these are the list of my ingredients and they also will be listed in the description box down below. So my chicken is well seasoned and I am going to stew my chicken up first. And everything that I did use to season the chicken will also be in the description box down below. Alright, after I stewed my chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes, I go in with some tomato paste, cook that down, add some onions and some celery. I saute this for about 2.5 minutes. I go in with my potatoes, and that is really small diced potatoes. Now potatoes are optional in your Bora, you really don't need to, but I just feel like adding it this time, make it extra special since I really don't get it. So I add my carrots as well after about 5 minutes with the potatoes. Then I go in with my Bora. You guys may also call this long beans. We call it Bora, and then allow this to fry up for about 10 minutes first before I go in with some coconut milk. All right, taste and adjust. After about 15 minutes, I taste and adjust my seasonings. This looks absolutely divine. I add some fresh tomatoes for freshness because it is so rich. All right, and this is the end result. This was eaten with some garden salad, plain rice, and some fried fish on the side. This was absolutely delicious. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I do also have another Bora on my channel that is curried Bora, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Be kind to yourself and each other. Enjoy this recipe. Love you guys. Bye-bye.